Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create drop down list in Excel. So I have a table as demo, and first column shows student's name and second column shows attendance. And in attendance we usually have three values: present, absent and no answer. So suppose I want to add a drop down list here in attendance column. So how can we do that? Because attendance have three value, present, absent and no answer, and so we can add the drop down list here and just choose the value here to add certain value in the cell. So how can we do that? So suppose I want to add drop down list in these four cells, okay? And so how can we do that? First of all, you need to select those cells that you want to add, where you want to add a drop down list. So we have selected our cells. Now you need to go to the data. Now you have to go to data validation. Now you need to select data validation. Here you can see in allow, you need to select list from given options, and now in source you have to add values here that you want in list. So suppose first value will be mine in the list present, second will be absent, and third will be no answer. We don't know about what is the status of the student, is he absent or present. So in that case we can add no answer. So now you need to click on this OK button, and it will add this drop down icon next to the cell, and you just need to select the value to insert present. And suppose I want to add here absent, so you just need to select absent here. So you can do this by adding the drop down list to the cell. You can do this work by far faster than as before. So if you do this manually, it will take a lot of time, and especially when the table is large. So that is the advantage of a drop down list in Excel. So I hope you like my video. I hope you get it, how to add drop down list. So you can add value here, no answer and absent here. So that's how you can add drop down list in Excel. I hope you like it. See you in the next video. For more video like this, please subscribe to our channel Karam. Till then, bye bye.